Hello po, magandang gabi po, magandang umaga, magandang hapon po sa ating mga kababayan kung saan man po kayong panig ng daigdig ngayon naroroon. Maraming salamat po sa mga bago nating mga subscriber at sa mga loyal po nating mga subscriber na walang sawang sumusuporta dito sa ating YouTube video channel na ito. Maraming salamat po. Muli, samahan niyo po muli ako sa video ito mula sa simula hanggang sa huli. Ang topic po natin tatalakayin ngayon ay ang what are the benefits if you study as a mature age student? So yan po yung tanong natin. Ano ang mga benepisyo kapag ikaw mag-aral, kapag nasa kalagayang matured age student na? Studying as a matured age student offers several unique advantages ranging from superior life acquired skills to a more focused approach to learning. Because you are choosing to return to education voluntarily, you often bring a level of motivation and perspective that high school leavers may not yet possess. Ayan po. Yun po yung dagdag na impormasyon. So ito po ang mga benefits. By academic and professional benefits. Strong motivation and focus. Matured students generally have clearer understanding of their career goals, leading to greater intentionality in their studies. This focus often results in better assignment performance as you see the direct connection between coursework and professional expertise. Ayan po, strong motivation and focus. Next one, advanced transferable skills. Your life toolkit includes honed skills like public speaking, problem solving, and critical thinking that give you a head start over younger peers. So, advanced transferable skills, yan po. Ito po ay napakamalaking benepisyo po sa atin dito bilang isang matured student kasi eksperyensyado na tayo lahat at marami tayo mga skill set bago tayo uli mag-aral sa university. Nandyan yung meron tayong public speaking at kung halimbawa problem solving, kung halimbawa ang trabaho mo po ay mga trade, ayan ay mga problem solver yan at saka mga critical thinker. Yan po. At kung ano pang ibang mga profession na yung kasalukuyang ginagawa o kasalukuyang trabaho. And then next one po ay expert level time management. Years of juggling work, family, or other commitments make mature student highly efficient at prioritizing tasks and crafting effective study schedules. Ito proven po ito mga kasama, yung expert level time management. Kapag tayo po ay working student at matured student, ay talaga namang karamihan mayroon ng pamilya, nag-aaral pa, nagtatrabaho pa, at mayroon pang ibang mga aktibidad. So talagang lalong nadidevelop yung ating pagiging expert sa pagmamanage ng time. At dito natin kung naalala natin, dito natin nagagamit yung apat na quadrant at prepared natin yung second quadrant na yun sa nakaraan nating topic na pinag-aralan nating metrics. Yun po. And then prior learning recognitions, you may be able to fast track your degree by applying to credit based on your previous professional experience or prior learning. Ayan po. And then next one po ay enhanced employment prospects. Employers often value the combination of a new qualification with existing work ethic and life experience which can help you enter new industries at a higher level rather than starting at the bottom. Ito po mga kasama yung karamihan ng mga employer ngayon. Ang hinahanap yung mayroong work experience at mayroong field experience o anuman prior dun sa yung newly graduate lang sa university. Mas prepared nila yung talagang mayroon ng work experience at yung may corporate experience. Mas prepared po nila yun. Okay po. Personal and social benefits. Unique perspective. Your life experiences allow you to relate theoretical studies to real world examples, enriching class discussion for both yourself and your classmate. Ito po ay experiensyado ko po na ng time nang ako'y nag-aaral na lagi akong natatanong ng aking mga kaklase. Hinihingi nila ang aking opinion, ang aking perspective, yung aking real world perspective. Sa time kami nagkakaroon ng workshop, halimbawa assignment, yan tinatanong nila ako. So doon ay napagkukumpara namin yung theoretical at saka yung real application. Yan po. Yung increased confidence. Successfully returning to study after a break can significantly boost your self-esteem and sense of personal achievement. Yan. Proven po ito, mga kasama. Lalong nag-i-increase yung confidence natin, yung tiwala natin sa sarili natin. Lalo kumpara sa halimbawa sa mga bata pa, sa mga from newly high school graduate, syempre iba yung dating kapag halimbawa medyo mature student ka na, kumbaga mas confident ka sa kanila. At kalimitan ay ikaw nagiging tagapagsalita pa nga nila. May mga cases na ganun kasi ikaw yung kuya nila o ikaw yung ate nila. Active cognitive health, lifelong learning helps keep the mind sharp, improves memory, and can even contribute to better mental well-being and reduced stress. Yan po. Yan ang napakagandang advantage o benefits kapag ikaw ay mature student related dun sa health. Yung diverse networking, university provides a unique opportunity to connect with individuals from different backgrounds, ages, and industries, expanding your professional and social circles. Yan po. Financial and institutional support, study allowances. In Australia, eligible mature student, typically over 25, can access government-funded program like O-Study to help cover living expenses. Yan po. Alternative entry pathway, many institutions offer special entry schemes that recognize work and life experience as a valid alternative to traditional academic scores like the HR. Yan po ay nabanggit na natin ng nakaraan nating, yung huli nating video tungkol po dyan. Okay? So ito po yung karagdagan. No? Karagdagan mga benefits. Ito yung clear purpose and motivation. Nabanggit na po natin yan. Yung mature student usually return to university with a clear goal. So yun po. This strong purpose often lead to greater commitment and persistence. Okay po. And then better management, nabanggit na rin po natin yan. Because mature student balance work, family, and study, they often develop excellent time management and organizational skills. Ito po, yung life experience and practical knowledge. Nabanggit na rin po natin yan, yung older student bring real-world experience into the classroom. Okay po. Ito yung strong discipline and focus. Yung mature learners are often more focused and responsible since they've already experienced the realities of work and life responsibilities. Yan po. Nabanggit na po natin yan, yung higher confidence in learning, experience in workplace and life can build confidence in communication, critical thinking, and problem solving. Nabanggit na po yan. Ito po, ang dadagdag ko lang po itong yung bibigyan ko lang ng diin ito. Maganda ho ito yung cognitive health benefits Yung binanggit kanina, yung research from the Yung binanggit itong cognitive health benefits kanina, pero idadagdag ko po dun yung nakaraan nating topic, yung research from the University of Tasmania through the Weakening Dementia Research and Education Center suggests that engaging in university study can help stimulate the brain, build cognitive reserve, and may reduce the risk of dementia. So, yan po ang pinaka magandang benepisyo kapag ikaw nag-aaral na mature student related dun sa kaugnay dun sa health benefits. So, reduce the risk of dementia. Yan po mga kasama. Kung gusto nyo pong maiwasan nyo ang dementia, mag-aaral ho kayo. Ayan po. Age is not a barrier to learning. In fact, maturity can be a powerful advantage in academic success. Yan po mga kababayan. Sa mga susunod na video ay doon natin tatalakay ng study with resilience. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsuporta. Paki-subscribe po itong aking YouTube video channel na ito. Paki-like po, comment, at paki-share po sa ating mga kababayan. Naway nakapagbigay po muli ako sa inyo ng inspirasyon. Maraming salamat po.